you can control your home like this and command your wife. But it's never been easier to control your home and devices smartly. I want to replace this old manual control panel. This is programs and this is timer, and I want new all-in-one version with screen. I have a few old Raspberry Pis. This two is oldest version 3, and this is Raspberry Pi 4B, and I always use extra heatsink for better heat dissipation. Check this, aluminium. These raspberries are perfect for our project.
We need to choose an operation system and install it on the Raspberry Pi. I use Raspberry OS. The old name was Raspbian. It is a similar process as with a personal computer. I use the Raspberry Pi Imager software for installation. I also need a display and a 3-way relay as an expansion board.
Let's try to put it all together. I use this newest version Raspberry Pi. This is IPS display. Flexible wire connection. Open clip. And clip down. These 4 are mounting holes for display, and these 4 are for Raspberry. Latcher open up. Position is perfect. Distance screw are included in package. I go for some tools for better reinforcement, or I don't need distance screw. I use classic screws. Classic screw, neodymium magnet, for this socket in left side, and this distance hole on the right side. It's too long. Almost perfect. I can't use original distance screw because screw is thin. And one more time. Now latch. Click down. And now power supply for display, 5 volts and ground. Must be in this way. Okay. On Raspberry Pi, I mean second 5 and third is ground. Five volt and ground. This. I mean it's all. Let's try it. Power supply for Raspberry. Micro USB connector. Aye. This is C connector. It's wrong. This is good for old version, Raspberry 3. But not for... I have only classic phone charger, Android phone. USB-C. Try it. Wait. My 3 programs. Timer. Start. Oh, sorry. Stop. Choose program. Cook, Steam, Combinate, Steam Cook. Time. And start program. Stop program.
You need to know the datasheet of your GPU device for the position of your pins, but be careful, it is not identical to the physical pins. You need to know the behavior of the relay, when it is activated and when it is deactivated. Your display resolution. There are websites with various templates that will make your application development easier, and of course AI can also help you. Good luck with your projects.